Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you use or connect your Discord on PS5. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application. And after opening the Discord application, you will get the home page. Tap to your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and from there tap to setting option at the top right corner, and from there you will get to see a bunch of options. You just simply have to select this connection option from here. Tap to connections and select add button at the top right corner, and from there you will get to see this PlayStation network directly. Tap to PlayStation network, and then it will give you two possible options here, which is PS5 and PS4. Simply tap to get started and then tap to continue. Then it will lead you to the web browser, and after that you just simply have to connect it with your PS5 account or the email that you have used into your PS5. Then you can easily connect your Discord to your PS5 this easily. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.